Hello students, welcome to Scratch programming classes, and today we will discuss about motion blocks. So in Scratch you already know there are block categories, different types of block categories are there, and we will discuss motion block. Now what are motion blocks? Motion blocks are blue coded blocks, and these are used to give movement to the sprite, to rotate the sprite, and to give position to the sprite. Fine. So these are the blocks. So we will discuss one by one. First is move block. Move block is used to move the sprite for some specific steps. 10 is by default, but you can change it to the 20. So when you click on that move block, the sprite will move 20 steps. Now turn sprite. If you want to turn the sprite by particular angle, so you can use this block. Turn 15 degree by default, you can change it to 30 degree, and when you click over that, so it will turn that. In opposite direction, if you want to turn, you can use another. So again I am using 30 to make it straight. Fine. Now point in direction. If you want to turn the sprite in particular direction, this is 90 degree. But if you want to change it, minus 90, 0, 180. Suppose this is 0. When I click on that, this is pointing towards 0 degree. 180 will be its reverse. This is 180 degree, and similarly minus 90. So you can change the pointing of sprite. 0, 90, 180 and minus 90. Now point towards mouse pointer. For this I am using event when flag clicked. Okay. Already you know the function of when flag clicked. So when I click on flag, okay, one more thing I am doing, I am keeping this block in forever block. So in control there is forever block. I am putting this pointing towards block in forever block. Now see what will be happen. See, when you click on flag, green flag, and move your pointer, it will move towards mouse pointer forever. Wherever you bring your mouse pointer, it will point towards that. See, this is a mouse pointer, this is a mouse pointer, it is pointing towards the mouse pointer. Fine. Now next is go to X, Y. Okay. I am removing this. Go to XY means, suppose I am changing the position of sprite, and when I run this, I am changing into X0, Y0. So when I click on flag, it will come to the X0, Y0 coordinate. So this is go to X0, Y0. Now after go to X0, Y0, next is go to mouse pointer. Go to mouse pointer. Again I am keeping in control forever. See, in pointing towards, we have seen that it point towards the mouse pointer, but here it will change the position. Wherever the mouse pointer will move, sprite also move. So let's see. See, mouse pointer I used to click the flag, so it comes here. When I click here, wherever I carry my mouse pointer, whenever I move my mouse pointer, sprite will go there. So go to mouse pointer. Fine. So it will move as per the mouse pointer or with the mouse pointer. I hope it is clear. Okay, now I will stop it. Let's see the next. After go to mouse pointer, next is glide. So what is glide? I am sending this block back. Glide. Glide 1 second to x and y. It means in what time it should move towards xy coordinate, particular or specific xy coordinate. For example, I am giving here 200 and here I am changing 50. Let it be, okay. And in 1 second, okay, I am giving here 2 second time. So it means in 2 seconds sprite will go to the coordinates 200 and 50 when I click on flag. So let's see, when I click on flag it reaches at point 250. Fine. So glide means to change the position of sprite as per the given time or in the duration of the given. Okay, next is after glide, next is change x by 10. Now what is change x by 10? If you can see, now at present the x is 200 and y is 50. Here it is showing 250. Now if you want to change x by 10 or 20, okay, I am changing the position, then you are able to see. At present the sprite is here, but if you want to change the x coordinate by 50, so it will change the x coordinate by 50 on the click of flag. Fine. When you click on flag, x coordinate is changing. Now I hope it is clear. Now the next is set x by 0. So you can change the x coordinate by 0. Okay, I hope it is clear. Okay, I am changing one more time. 40 I am giving here. When I click on flag, the x coordinate is changing. Fine. Now we will see set x by some value. Set x by 0. Okay, let it be, or we can change it up to 10. You can make it. When you click on flag, so it will reach at the position, y will not be changed, only the x coordinate will change. So y will be same, fine, only x will be changed. Now the value of x will be 10. So you have fixed the value of x by x to 10, fine. Similarly, change y by 10. You can change the y coordinate and set y to any particular value. So you can try both this. Now we will see if on edge bounce. What does it mean? For this, first I will use motion move block. See, if I give 400 steps in move block and click on, when green flag clicked, it goes somewhere. It goes beyond the edges, isn't it? It goes beyond the edges. So if I want that it should not go beyond the edges, so I will use if an edge bounce. Fine. So let's see. Suppose here is your sprite. When I click on green flag, it should move 400 steps. See. Now its face is towards this direction, that's why it is moving in this direction. First I will make it straight by turning. So I need to turn it anti-clockwise. First we will make it straight, then it will be more clear. Fine. Now it is straight. Now if I make it move 400 steps, then let's see whether it goes beyond the edges or not. No, it bounced and changed the direction. Again when I click, it bounced and changed the direction. Fine. Now if I want that it should not change its direction when it bounced, then I will use, if it touches the edges, it should not change its direction. Then for that, here it is, set rotation style left right. Fine. So when I click on green flag, see, now it is not changing its direction after touching the edge. This is the left right rotation style. Fine. And the last is X position, Y position, direction. This is simple. When you check it, when you click on it, it will be visible on the stage. It will display you X position, Y position and the sprite direction. So that's it in the motion block. Next we will discuss the another block. Thank you so much.